You're browsing the internet, and chances are you came across one of these cookie permissions. What do you typically select? We learned in our qualitative usability study that 5 most common cookie permission user types are the denier, the tech savvy, the skeptic, the impatient, and the enthusiast. Users divide into different categories depending on how willing they are to accept cookie permissions. Some exhibit more reluctance, some maintain a more neutral stance, while others are eager to comply. Understanding the range of how users interact with cookie permissions gives you an idea of whom your designs might alienate. For example, having only one accept all option might alienate users who are less willing to share their data. Let's look at each of these user types. The denier. These represent people who want to share as little data as possible. And in an ideal scenario, they will deny every time. If there are only options of accept all or strictly necessary only, they will either select strictly necessary only or leave your site. The tech savvy. These include people who select accept all, but then clear cookies at a later time. They understand what cookies are and know how to get rid of them from their computer. In our study, a participant who fell under this user type mentioned that they even downloaded plugins that auto-deletes cookies for them. The skeptic. This represents people who are willing to share their data only for sites they're familiar with or that seem trustworthy. Many users who don't fully understand what cookies are fall under this user type as well. The impatient. Some users select accept all to get rid of a cookie overlay off their screen as quickly as possible and enter the site they want to. Many of these users aren't necessarily willing to share their data. They are often frustrated that the overlay is in the way or that they have to click through multiple places to customize cookies and then reluctantly end up accepting all. This is important to be mindful of, especially since cookies are typically the user's first interaction with your site. And then finally, we have the enthusiast. These are users who are open to share their data and want to have personalized ads. Cookie permission overlays shouldn't only be a compliance requirement. They are an opportunity to build trust and foster a positive experience for users of all types. As you can see, users' willingness to share data and how they interact with cookie permission options varies pretty drastically. It's important we're mindful of these different user types so we prevent alienating any specific type of user.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of our UX videos, take a look at these over here and consider subscribing to our channel. On our website, nngroup.com, you can access our free library of over 2,000 articles. You can also register for one of our UX courses that offer live, hands-on UX training.